Hi Disney lovers, it's Moika and welcome to the ultimate guide to Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel. I'm so excited to take you along as we explore all the magic and luxury this beautiful hotel has to offer, including the Kingdom Club Cinderella Suite, character experiences, and so much more. Okay, let's dive right in! Once you step through the entrance, you'll find this gorgeous lobby that blends Victorian elegance with a sprinkle of Disney magic. The design reminds me of the Grand Floridian Hotel at Disney World and the Tokyo Disneyland Hotel. Adding to the magic, a character appears in the lobby to welcome guests around check-in time. During our stay, Mickey appeared in his super cute Christmas outfit, making the experience even more festive and memorable. If you want to meet a character, be sure to be in the lobby before 3 p.m. Now let's head to our room, the Kingdom Club Cinderella Suite. I've been dreaming of staying here for years, so I'm so happy to finally be here. A big thank you to my husband for bringing me here for my birthday trip. If you're staying in a room with club level service, you can check in at the Kingdom Club Lounge. Also, since it was my birthday, I also received a birthday button, and my husband arranged for a cute birthday card and towel cake to be prepared in the room. Before we do a room tour, I want to show you the Cinderella platter. This complimentary platter is included with Kingdom Club Cinderella Suite stays. We got to choose the delivery time during check-in, and it was such a lovely way to kick off our magical stay. Now, let's go back to the hallway and do a full room tour. The room is absolutely gorgeous and magical, and I love everything about it. Once you enter, you'll find the first restroom on your left. To the right is a closet, complete with 2 umbrellas for guests. And here's the main room. Oh my gosh, look at this. There are glass slippers on display. How magical is this? And here's a big portrait of Cinderella and Prince Charming dancing. I love how the room has so many portraits from the movie. And look at this couch. So gorgeous. The silhouettes of Cinderella and Charming dancing are so cute too. And even the TV was playing Cinderella's story when we arrived. The room even comes with this adorable popcorn bucket that you can take home as a little souvenir. And here's the view from the room. I took a video of the view from the balcony earlier in the day. The room has a balcony with a great view of the hotel, garden, and the sea. The garden you see below is the Mickey Maze. The balcony has 2 chairs and a mini table. And here's the mini bar. It includes a coffee machine, 3 bottles of water, and a kettle. And underneath there's a safe and a mini fridge. The bedroom is absolutely gorgeous too. I love how they have so many motifs of the glass slippers and the pumpkin coach. Oh, and this was super convenient. There was a MagSafe charger and multiple USB ports for charging devices. These bathrobes were so fluffy. And now the bathroom. The bathroom was so pretty too. I liked how there was a table with a mirror and a stool, so you can dry your hair or do your makeup while sitting down. The hair dryer was nice too. It was a Dyson. There's a shower, a bathtub with a jacuzzi, and another restroom. There's even a cute little pouch you can take home. For any princess fan, especially Cinderella fans, this room is a dream come true. I think this room is one of the top 3 rooms I've ever stayed in, just considering the room interior. If you also factor in other aspects like views, there are other rooms I truly love, such as the Harbor View rooms at Miracosta, the Grand Chateau rooms at Fantasy Springs Hotel, and Savannah View rooms at Animal Kingdom Lodge. Anyway, I just absolutely love this room. Now, let's explore the rest of the hotel. The hotel has a gift shop named Kingdom Gifts. We were able to get some discount vouchers. I believe if you book the hotel through the official website, you'll receive them. Or maybe they're available to anyone staying at the hotel. Sorry, I'm not 100% sure. The shop has so much cute merchandise. The hotel also features facilities such as Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique, indoor and outdoor pools, a gym, a playground, tennis courts, a sauna, steam room, and a whirlpool. And now we're in the Kingdom Club Lounge. Guests staying in the Kingdom Club rooms and suites have access to this exclusive lounge where you can relax and enjoy complimentary refreshments. The lounge offers food and drink throughout the day in 4 time slots. During our stay, we had dinner during sunset hours and breakfast the next morning during magical beginnings. Dinner reservations are made at check-in. One special experience for Kingdom Club guests is the nighttime meet and greet with a character in pajamas on the 7th floor. Upon check-in, you'll receive a small ticket for this exclusive experience. During your visit, one character will appear, and it could be characters such as Mickey, Minnie, Donald, or even Duffy. While we were waiting in line, there happened to be live music playing, which added to the magical atmosphere. For our visit, the meet and greet was scheduled from 7:30 p.m. to 7:50 p.m., and Mickey appeared. It was the cutest way to end the day. Hong Kong Disneyland hotels also offer a variety of paid and free activities. Guests at any of the 3 official Disney hotels, Disneyland Hotel, Disney Explorers Lodge, and Disney's Hollywood Hotel, can join activities at any location. One must-do is Taichi with Disney Masters, a unique experience held at the Disneyland Hotel twice in the morning. I participated on our last day, and it was so much fun. The activity is free, but space is limited, so I recommend arriving at the lobby early. On our day, it was super crowded, and the line got cut off more than 30 minutes before the activity started. Each group receives a small ticket that determines the order for choosing your spot for the Taichi lesson. Then either Mickey, Donald, or Goofy will appear in a super cute Taichi outfit. For our visit, it was Mickey. After the lesson, there is a photo session with the character, which is done in the same ticket order. We did 3 other free activities during our stay. The first was Santa Mickey's Mini Christmas Party, a Christmas-exclusive activity where you play a little game to help Mickey prepare for the party. At the end, Mickey appeared, and we had the chance to take a photo with him. This activity is perfect for families with young kids. And we also enjoyed the Hidden Mickey Hunt and the Duffy and Friends Christmas Maze matching game. For these activities, you could pick up the sheets at the gym counter. Once we completed the activity, we received a small gift, which made the experience even more fun. You can find the full activity schedule on the official website. I've included the link in the description below. Another must-try at this hotel is a Lotus Palace, known for its adorable dim sum. It's open to everyone, not just hotel guests, so if you're visiting the park, I highly recommend it. Check out my foodie guide for details. After visiting Lotus Palace, we even bumped into Pluto. It's so exciting to meet characters randomly, even outside the park. The hotel also has Enchanted Garden Restaurant, where you can enjoy a character dining experience, along with other dining spots like Waltz Cafe and Sea Breeze Bar. Unfortunately, we didn't get to try these this time. Maybe next time. And that wraps up our magical tour of Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel. Stay tuned for my next video, where I'll be sharing a full tour of the Disney's Hollywood Hotel, another official hotel. Thank you for watching, and see you real soon.